Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial in AutoCAD. This is the problem from projections of planes. Here in this problem, the plane is rectangle plane. It is 30 mm and 50 mm sides resting on horizontal plane on one small side, which is 30 degrees inclined to vertical plane, while the surface of the plane makes 45 degrees inclined to horizontal plane. Draw its projections. So before going to start the AutoCAD drawing, I will explain some basic fundamentals and rules of the projections. So here, first of all, draw the XY line. So named it as X and Y. Coming to the first stage of drawing, you will check whether the surface is inclined to vertical plane or inclined to horizontal plane. The surface is inclined to horizontal plane. You make sure that your surface is parallel to horizontal plane. So you will assume your surface is parallel to horizontal plane, then only you will observe the true shape from the top view. So the top view is drawn below the reference line because the top view is on projecting on the horizontal plane. When you observe the horizontal plane view, your plane will rotate 90 degrees clockwise direction towards the front side of the observer. So in the second step is, first draw the true shape of your rectangle from top view. It is 30 and 50, A, B, C, D. Next, draw the front view. So when you observe this rectangle plane, from the top view it will be looks like a rectangle, but in the front view it's look like a straight line. See, so if you observe from this side, you will see this B dash, A dash, C dash, D dash. It is parallel to horizontal plane. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. The second stage, if you observe on one small side on horizontal plane, it is resting on horizontal plane. So this side is placed on this horizontal plane and rotate this front view 30 degrees to 45 degrees inclined to horizontal plane. So that in the next stage, so you will draw a line 45 degrees and place your projections like this. Okay, now draw projector lines from the front view like this, A dash, D dash. So now draw horizontal projectors where it is intersecting the projector line drawn from the A and drawn from the A. So these two lines are meeting at the point A1, that is your new projection point. So like B1, C1, D1. So highlight. This is your reduced top view. Now next stage is, it is 30 degrees inclined to vertical plane. So now you will rotate your top view 30 degrees to vertical plane. So for that I am draw a 30 degrees line, side inclined to vertical plane. So 30 degrees, and again you will locate your points. Now draw the projectors from the top view like this and draw horizontal projectors. See, observe uh, lines. This is a line drawn from the B and this line is drawn from the B. This point is B, and here projector line drawn from the A and here drawn from the A, meeting at this point A 1 dash. So observe, so like that, A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, and join all the, this is your final front view. So now I will draw in the AutoCAD step by step. Okay, yeah, same problem here. Now draw first reference line. Here I am taking 250 mm. I assume that. Now using the text command, select height 4, rotation 0, put here it is X, and put here it is Y. Okay. Now draw the rectangle using the command REC. Select somewhere here using the shift at the rate 50 is the length, comma 30 is the width. That is your, okay. So now provide text again. Text, this one is height 3 and 0. Here you can give your text A small case. In top view it is small case B, C, D. Okay, this is your top view. Okay, so if you want to highlight this one, give the line weight here around 0.3. Okay, if it is not observed, you switch on this one, switch off, switch on. If this icon is not available on your screen, go to here, 3 bars, here here tick the line weight. Okay, now draw projector lines. Now draw projector lines. Okay, somewhere you will draw a horizontal line. This is your front view. So again I am going to change line weight, or else give match prop, MA, enter, select this one to this one. So first of all highlight, yeah, trim this one. Okay, these two projector lines change it to color number 8, because very light projector lines are always drawn thin lines. Okay, now place the text, copy, copy, CO, comment CO here and here. Okay, go to ED, it is check it, A dash in brackets D dash, here it is B dash in brackets C dash. Okay, so you can adjust your text in such proper way. Okay, yeah, this is your front view. Now you will rotate your front view 45 degrees inclined to horizontal plane, that will be observed in the front view only. So you just copy your front view, okay, and move and rotate, rotate from this point to this point 45 degrees, and so you just move your line on the horizontal plane, because one side is on horizontal plane, you don't forget it, because that small side is on horizontal plane. Here the small side is on horizontal plane. So again you will move your text here, this text is placed here. Okay, if you want to check it, trim angular, give this one 45 degrees. Here also you will give the dimension dim linear, select this point to this point 10 mm, or else you will go to select here and here, give 10 mm, enter. If it is any overlaps are there, you just adjust it. Okay, just adjust. Okay, next, draw projector lines from all the points. From A, draw projector lines. From B and C, draw one more projector line. Again from A and B, draw one more projector line. From this one onward. So select all the projector lines to color number 8, light color. See, if you identify your new points, the line drawn from the A dash is this line, and line drawn from this A is this line. So both are intersecting at this point. Okay, so for that you will put a point PO, enter, select this point. If it is not visible, DDP type, enter, give this file, select this one, click OK, okay. After that you will remove. Again you will identify your B point, B line, B line, give point here, this one. Again this is C line and C line, give point here. Again this is D line and this is D line, give point here. Now draw a rectangle from this point to this point, give match prop. This is your reduced top view. If you don't want, you can remove your points. Okay, for the understanding purpose I explained. Trim, now trim like this. Again you will place your text, copy here, this is your new point, new points, these are your new points. So edit, this is A1, this is B1, this is C1, and this point is D1. You will adjust your text whenever it is overlaps. Here also, just adjust, move here also. Okay, yeah. Next, third stage. So in third stage, if you observe, that side resting on horizontal plane and makes 30 degrees inclined to vertical plane. So you have to copy this one, CO, move here and rotate your this one. Now rotate your object, RO, enter, select your total object, pick this point. Here you will give minus 60, then only it will 30 degrees to the vertical plane. I will show you. See, if you move like this, you can verify it. Okay, line drawn from this point to this point. See, observe. I'm going to move this one. Okay, I will adjust this one here. Yeah, now check it, dim angular here, select this one to this one, that is 30 degrees. Okay, now draw projector lines from all the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, change these projector lines to color number 8. Now draw projector lines from this one. Already there is one horizontal line is there, so you need not to trim these lines. Now identify the points here. This is A and this is A. Now your new point is, copy this one. This is your new point ED. This is your new point A1 dash, front view. Similarly, copy your new point is B. Here is B, this B line and this one is B line. So ED, command text edit ED B1 dash. Similarly, copy this one, your C line and C line. So ED, change it to C. Here is your D, here D. So CO, this is your D1 dash. ED, here D1 dash. Okay, now join lines from A to D1, B1 dash, B1 to C1 dash, C1 to D1 dash, D1 to A1 dash. So select MA match prop, highlight your line 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is any overlaps, you will adjust it. So I am going to remove this one. Now observe, this is your final drawing. Okay, first stage, second stage, third stage. This is a simple stage, and you will rotate your, you will okay. So now you will take this printout. Okay, here how to take this printout? First, copy. I'm going to copy this diagram, Control C. Use the template here. I will place it like this. Yeah, here something I'm going to move this one to inner side. Move this Y to here. Okay, you will place vertical plane and horizontal plane also. Copy here. So ED, this is V dot P and this is H dot P. Vertical plane and horizontal plane. Here you can change your title, projections of lines, problem number 1. You will place your date and everything. You will double click on your, you will change it. You will double click on this, you will change it. Okay, problem. How to take the printout? Now go to layout. Here, see, whenever it is moves like this, it is in model space. Z enter, E enter. Okay, Z enter, E enter. If it is placed in paper space, PS, it will moves like this, PES. Okay, if you change in command MS, now your drawing will move like this. So make it zoom to fit, Z enter, E enter. Now go to export PDF. Here give planes problem number 1. Save. So it is saved on desktop. Go to desktop, click on it. See, observe. Now take this printout and place it on your record. Okay, so with this I will stop the session. In the next session I will explain another problem in the projections of lines concept. Okay, thank you.